Okay, so today we're going to look at what will help you get that Year 12 qualification. Maybe a VCE or VCAL or a Cert 3 in vocational education and training. Or maybe you're ready to start an apprenticeship or traineeship.
Okay, but what about me? I mean, I'm already working part-time and earning money.
Would you like fired to do that?
Yeah, but what if I get fired when I turn 18? I suppose I should do VCAL. I like it, but...
So Daniel, it's decision time maybe.
Huh? What is it with all the teachers at this school and their mind reading?
Well, we did all attend a mind reading for teachers workshop the other week. Maybe you could think about Community VCAL. You can do your VCAL with one of our community partners. Community VCAL offers the same options as a school-based VCAL and the same qualification, but the difference is the place and the people. You're out in the community with smaller classes and different routines, and you're still enrolled here.
Do I have to turn up every day and wear a uniform and all that stuff?
You get a bit more freedom because you're treated as an adult, and you need to behave like an adult. There's a bit more flexibility about what you wear and when you need to be at classes, but you still have to attend and you still have to do the full course, same as you would at school. We want you to get your Year 12 qualification, and if Community VCAL is the best way, we need to start talking about it. And you might want to mention this to friends who have left school early. Community VCAL might be a way for them to get Year 12 too.
But Miss, if we go to TAFE to do VCAL or VCE, do we still get the same qualification?
You do. You can go to TAFE to do either VCE or VCAL as a TAFE student, but you'll be enrolled as a TAFE student, not a school student. You still get the same Year 12 qualification and pathways to further studies as you would get through school. And TAFE is a great option for mature students or people returning to study. But I think everyone agrees the best place for most young people is school.
Miss, what about me? I'm not doing too well at school. What with this being a new school for me and Mum being sick and all, I'm just falling behind more and more.
Okay, so maybe we need to use Year 10 to catch up so you're ready to get that Year 12 qualification. To start with, let's look at your career or pathways plan. Your parents might want to look as well. That will help us see what could work for you and get you back on track to Year 12.
Does it mean I'll have to do lots of catch-up classes as well as Year 10 and have no free time?
No, we don't want to make it even harder for you to get ready for Years 11 and 12. Courses like CGEA can be your Year 10 course and give you a pathway to VCAL or VCE or Certificate 2 or 3 here or at TAFE. You might do CGEA at school or outside school with one of our community partners in a program we've designed with them. Whatever happens, you're still enrolled here because we want you doing VCE or VCAL here next year.
Miss, what do you do in a CGEA course?
Well, there are quite a few options like reading and writing to fit with your own needs, numeracy or maths units for everyday life, which might be about measuring, using timetables or budgeting, basic computing skills for daily life like emailing and using the internet as a work tool, skills for work, for careers in hospitality, horticulture, retail, or children's services. They're just some of the options. And you might want to mention to friends that some of our community partners run CGEA, especially for young people and adults who have left school early. It's a good way to get back into learning and even back into school.
What about me, Miss? I've missed so many days of school this year already. Maybe I should leave school and get a job. I don't know what I want to do.
Well, we could start by looking at what suits you and the way you learn. That's what a Pathways plan is about. It might mean you do a specially made program here at school. Or maybe you do better with a community program that takes you out of the school some of the time so you can try different ways of learning. Most of these programs help you build your skills for study, life and for work. Skills like working in a team, looking after yourself in the workplace, talking and listening, plus hands-on skills. The list goes on. We all hope these programs can help you to keep learning right through to Year 12.
Miss, what about kids we know who aren't going to school?
If your friends don't want to talk to anyone at school, TAFE and our community partners are a good starting point. Tell your friends to talk to them. Then there's Youth Connections or other youth programs who can link you up with community and TAFE courses. There's your Learn Local Centre who offer programs for young people. Oh, and Job Services Australia and the people at Youth Services in the local council. They'll know who to talk to. Plus there are a whole range of services for young people with special needs. I could go on and on.
So how do we get into these programs, Miss?
Not everyone's a mind reader, so start talking. Talk to your parents. Then talk to your pathways teacher. Talk to your home group teacher, your student wellbeing coordinator. Don't give up. Speak up. It's your future.